Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my commerce project. So first off, here are my models. You can see them through the admin page, but you can also look at my code if you want. I have the users model, of course, and listings, comments, and bids models, as well as a listing owners model, which shows the owner of each listing. Okay, so then there are the models. If I exit out of the admin page, and then just log out real quick, you can see I'm logged out. I can't create any new page, but if I log in, I'm going to log in a different account. With this one, I'm logged in, and I can create a new listing. So I'll go create a new listing, and I'm gonna make a car, really cool car, fancy car. And then this is gonna be it's an expensive car. It's an expensive car. So this is $10,000. And then URL for image. Make an image. Here's the image. I've already copied it, and doesn't have to have a category because category is optional. So I'll press submit, and there's my car. And there's the image. So then you can go to the active listings page, which is the one I'm on right now. Shows the title of each listing, the description, the current price, its photo if it has one, its category if it has one, and who it's listed by. If I click on any listing, then I can click on this iPhone, for example, and it'll show the details, the picture, some details like the current price right here, starting bid, category if it has one, time created, and who it's listed by. So some actions that I can do. For example, I can add this item, this iPhone, to my watch list. So I'm going to add it to my watch list, and now it's in my watch list. And I'll show you about that later. But now it's in my watch list. I can do that. I can also bid on it. So this item has already had 5 bids, and I have the highest bid, but I want to bid again just to make sure I'm super secure. So I'm going to bid for $1,000. But $1,000 is smaller than the current price, as you can see here. So when I try to bid it, it will give me an error. Please put in a bid greater than the current bid. It's also up here. But if I want to bid high, so I have to put a bid higher than the current bid. So I make $1,200. That's higher than the current price or the current bid. And submit. And now, look at that. The current price is $1,200. And I have the highest bid. So there's bidding. I can also close an auction that I own. So if I go to an auction that I own, like this hat, you can see this hat has 1 bid on it. The current bid is $15. And if I already have the highest bid, but I'm going to close this auction. And now the auction is closed. You can see you cannot put any more bids on it, and it's closed. So, but because I had the highest bid, my bid of $15 won the auction. It'll give me this message because once it's closed, it'll give me this message because I had the highest bid. It'll tell me I won the auction. And then also the listing is closed, so I cannot add any more comments. So yeah, so there's that. Also, one more thing about bidding is that I can go to, oh, and sorry, when the listing is closed, the hat just got closed, so it's not on the active listings page anymore. One more thing about bidding, if there's no more bid, so there's 0 bids on it, so I can bid the starting bid. So I'm going to bid for $10,000, and it'll let me do that. Otherwise, it wouldn't. So now I have the $10,000, but if I try to bid that again, because there's already a bid on it, it won't let me do that. Please put in a bid greater than the current bid. I can also add comments, so let's put a comment. Nice car. And I added a comment. And there we go. Now my comment is shown up right here. Okay, so there's the listings page. Now next, if I go to my watch list, remember I added the iPhone to the watch list, so now it shows up in the watch list. I can also remove it from the watch list. I go remove from watch list, and now it is not there anymore. I also can go to some categories. So for example, if I go to arts and crafts, it doesn't have any listings. It'll show there are no listings. But if I go to electronics, this has a listing in it. So then I can click on it, and there's a listing page for it. And then finally, I can go to the admin page and change or remove or edit any listings, bids, or comments. My recording cut out, so I had to switch to a new thing. But pretty much, I signed into the admin page, and as you can see, I have all of the different models that I can change. So let's say I want to delete a comment that I don't like. I have this comment, and this is a comment on a car, but I don't like this comment. So I'm going to delete it. And now there's no more comment there. I can also edit a listing, and I can go to this hat, and I'm going to change its category. I'm going to make it a electronic hat. Save. So now I've changed those listings and comments. I go back to the real one, to the regular. You'll see that, oh, the hat is it's no longer active, but you can see in the car that I deleted the comment. There's no more comment. Yep, thank you for watching.